Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my iPhone N23 and let me share with you how to check the email numbers of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code, and after that I'll show you another way through the settings. So let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we're provided with both email numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason you forgot about the secret code or it won't work. So enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. And now let's tap on this status option. And as you can see right here, we've got both email numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.